Jalila H3T to put that dang on time. Do I need to say that for the second channel? I don't think I do, but I did it anyway. Listen, some of y'all going back to school. Some of y'all about to go back to school. I'm here to help you. I know you're sitting there trying to plan, gosh dang it, how it is you're going to go about the shenanigans. How you going to be fresh to death? May you rest in peace. How you going to be fresh to death? Well, don't worry, the kid got you, gosh dang it. I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to look unnecessarily stylistic on the first day of school. But before we do all this shenanigans, let's just do a quick hair update check. Hair is, I mean, it's been like a week, so it's pretty much exactly the same. Not really much has changed. I don't really see any extreme stuff, but you know, it might be like that. Just a quick update. How you doing on your freeform journey? Gosh dang it, let me know down below. But today, the main focus is going to be how to look nicer than 16 little bits on the first day of school. This is the 2019 edition. Now you're looking at the camera probably saying, Sever, you're a grown freaking man. Why are you giving me advice on how to look good in school? Well, a little personal note, gosh dang it, I actually got into graduate school, so I am obtaining a master's degree at the current moment, and the first day of fall semester is starting sometime this month. I don't know the day. I probably should. I think next week is all orientations for various things I have to do, but that is neither here nor there. So I am going to show you exactly what it is I'm going to wear on the first day of class. Maybe not orientation. I think I might kind of bum it. I'm not sure. But let me show you what I'm going to wear. Not only what I'm going to wear, but how it is I came about procuring this dang on outfit. The first thing you need to do before you do anything, and I will overlay a clip of myself wearing the outfit in the certain sections, I'm sure, hopefully. I don't know if I am, but that's not here nor there. The first thing you want to do before anything, the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out your base. For me, black skinnies. Now at the current moment, it's like 92 degrees where I'm at, so that might be a little inappropriate, but with looking doper than 16 little bits, there's going to be moments of discomfort because the fit is the end result at the end of the day. Now these particular jeans, I'm going to get a little bit closer here, y'all. It's the ones that, you feel me, have that joint on it. And it's like only on the knee. I think this is the knee, right? It's got that like weird joint. I mess with this heavy. I mess with this real heavy, but that's not here nor there. So, just your regular skinny jeans. They look wide as jive, but I am a toothpick, so trust me, this is pretty tight on the kid. But that's not here nor there. That is what I start with. I always start with my base. And normally my base is black, but that is because I am emo still, even though I am 25, but that is not here nor there. So once you figure out what your base is, and that's what your pants are, be it pants, be it shorts, cargos, whatever it is, sweatpants, whatever it is, basketball shorts, whatever you're going to do, once you establish that, once you establish what it is that you're wearing and the color, you can go from there. Now, some of y'all be trying to keep that like casual rapper vibe, and that's dope for you. But if you're like a high school senior or you're in graduate school, you can't be bumming it on that first day. You feel me? My classmates, my fellow scholars, if you will, are gonna be like lawyers and like social workers and stuff, and like court mediator people. So like I can't just be like, you know, in there showing like this. Like, you feel me? Like I gotta come correct. I gotta be decent, but my flavor decent. So once you establish what your base is, I'm gonna go with jeans, skinny jeans, and they're gonna be black. The design really doesn't matter much. I'm just edgy, but that's not here. I got this from Route 21, I think. Forever 21, excuse me. Got this from Forever 21. Also, this is just a general thing I want to throw out there. You don't have to follow it, but don't be afraid. If you're a dude, don't be afraid to shop in the chick section. If you're a chick, don't be afraid to shop in the dude section. For me personally, I don't really see the big like whole deal. Oh, what? I'm not gonna wear a woman's butt. If it's dope, rock it. That's just me. That's just me. Maybe I'm putting too much sauce on it. Maybe y'all ain't ready for that conversation. But I don't personally see an issue with that. If it looks dope and it fits and you can rock it, I don't understand how other stuff comes into the equation. It's a boot looking dope to me personally. But once you establish, I've established black skinny jeans is what I'm going to start out with. So now I have to build from there. The next thing I'm going to do, next thing I will immediately go to is what type of shirt. Not the jacket on top of it, not the hoodie, not the accessories. I go from the base. I really start with underwear, but this is YouTube and I'm not going to go there. But once you establish that base, you build immediately to the shirt. When I'm like chilling, it's graphic tees or whatever. But when I'm going to something a little bit more bougie, if you will, that's when I break into the, I'm going to show you. I know y'all done seen this over here, gosh dang it. I'm going to kill him with this. I'm going to kill him with this joint. Now again, I understand some of y'all might not be at this point. You did, I understand. But when you start to like break out of your comfort zone and it's like, yo, I'm going to just start trying stuff, you'll be surprised what you're able to pull off. This is a Allen, where is it? There it is. This is a Allen Flusser. A Allen Flusser. I got this from, where did I get this from? I can't remember where I got this from, but Allen Flusser. This is not really too familiar with him. I just know his designs are insane. I'm not a super big paisley guy, but I just like the colors. I think the colors are really dope. It reminds me of the album cover of The Devil Wears Prada's second album, Plagues. I think that's her second album. I'm not sure, but that is not here there. I really mess with the colors a whole lot. This is kind of like, if this pattern was on a pair of shoes, I'd be killing this joint, but that's not here there. So what I'm doing, and I'm not sure if at this point I'm showing the whole fit. I'm not sure. This is going to be like a post-edit thing, but I've established that I have the skinny jeans. So when you have the skinny jeans, you've got this small twig-like base that is black. So then you come in and you start killing them with the crazy colors and the paisley and stuff. But also this is, I think this is like an extra, it might even be a 2X, I'm not sure. This is an extra large. I'm a very, very small man. I have no business wearing an extra large, but think about the contrast and not just colorway. Not just colorway, think about the contrast. I got this big old shirt that's way too big for me, hanging all over. You got the big shirt and the skinny pants. You cannot go wrong with the big shirt and the skinny pants. I'm going to leave the top open too because I'm going to show my chest a little bit. You feel me? Because Hot Boy Summer, but that's not even there. But I'm going to show my chest a little bit on him, gosh dang it. I'm going to show my chest a little bit. I ain't going to lie. Now, where a lot of people, I feel like, sell themselves short, and I guess you can factor in the weather, so I guess layering is just a little bit much, but don't stop there. When you feel like the fit is complete, sometimes you gotta go extra. Sometimes you gotta go above and beyond. We have established the pants, we've established the shirt. Here comes the next level. Break out the vest on them. Break out the vest on them. I've been rocking vests since maybe 8th grade at this point. So don't sleep on the vest, guys. Now I've been rocking vests for like a good decade now. Vests are slept on. You get the right one. Again, I try not to put on a vest that clashes with my base. So I'm gonna rock the black vest because I don't want to do too much. But again, here's another secret. Since we've already put in so much on the importance of the paisley and like freaking them a little bit with the big shirt, you leave the vest open. You're already showing your chesticles a little bit. You already got your titties out, gosh dang it. When you got the vest, leave the vest open. Don't button that joint up. We ain't going to church. Keep that joint open. So again, it shows like, yo, I'm chilling and going wild on them with the paisley, but you got the vest too. So it's like it calms it down a little bit. It's like, no, that's just the accent. You feel me? That's not the focus of the fit. That's the accent because the focus is your base. It's the black vest and the black pants. You dig? Next thing you're going to want to do, torso for me is always really, really important. Torso is really important. The next thing you're going to want to do, if you can afford it, if you got it, get your necklace. This has been my go-to necklace for, I think I've had this necklace, how long have I had it? Is it even focusing? It's not even focusing. Here we go. I've had this necklace, focus, woman! There we go. I've had this necklace right here for, no joke, this has been my go-to necklace for like maybe 5 years now. And I used to change necklaces every year, but I've really been messing with this one for quite some time. Gosh dang it, I love this necklace. You pop that on, and again, you got the chest out, you got the tees out, gosh dang it. You're showing a look. And it's not like this is like major ice or anything like that. It's just a nice accent. I think necklaces are really dope because if you wear them often, when you're not wearing one, it's almost like an outfit in itself. Like right now, if you know me personally, you're looking at a good bit of my YouTube videos, I don't have any jewelry on. And it's like, if you know me personally, you know I always got a necklace on. I always got a bunch of bracelets on and stuff like that. So when you don't see that, it's almost like seeing a celebrity who's known for a ponytail and glasses and seeing them chilling at home with their hair down, with the glasses, you feel me? Or vice versa. Maybe they got the hair up in the ponytail instead of laying it down. So, you know, like when you see a rapper with the dreads and stuff like that, sometimes they got they join up when they are around the house. It's taking everything into account. Every aspect of what you wear is an example of a different type of fit. In my YouTube videos, y'all see me in my around the house wear a lot. I don't really get dressed up for YouTube videos like that. But if you know me personally, you know I be in my fashion bag a little bit, but that's not here or there. Next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to decide on a belt. If you've got skinny jeans, I don't care how thick you think you are, you're gonna need a belt. This is my go-to belt for my skinny jeans. I'm either rocking the checkered belt, which I've had this for years, or I've got like this this really thick white belt, but it has issues going through the loops sometimes. I can't remember which one I can't remember. I might go with the white belt. I haven't decided yet, but for this video, I know I'm gonna do this one. But I might end up going with the white belt. I'm not quite sure, but that's not there. That's a day of type of decision. So you've already got, I'm not going to get into bracelets and stuff like that, but you've already got the torso set, you've got your legs set, you've got the base, you've established all that. We ain't going to stop there, gosh dang it. I'm going to give you the full fit secret. Boom. Can't go wrong with the polo socks, gosh dang it. Now the brand is not important. I'm just bougie and I had a store discount, but the polo socks. I ain't gonna unravel my joints or whatever because I'm lazy and I just did laundry. I'm not gonna refold this again. But if you start to get them with the red socks too, you feel me? Again, and we ain't talking Boston. Okay. But it's like, we've already established that we killing them with the paisley joint. When you come back with the red remix, when you sitting down, maybe you crossing your legs or something like that, maybe you chilling, spread out or something like that. When that pants leg goes up, if you rocking, dog, the blood, dog, it's a whole fit. It don't just stop with you feel me? It's a whole fit. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the shoesies. I actually got to go upstairs and get them. I'll be right back. All right. I'm back. Let me tell you about the shoesies. Again, this is a full fit. I'm not cutting corners with y'all, and I'm not looking forward to having to put all this on in a second just to take it off, but that's not even there. Let me show you the full fit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We ain't come on now. We ain't playing no game. This is a Stacey Adams joint. Yeah. Come on, focus, you bum! There we go. Stacey Adams joint. Listen, when you come through on these, and again, if you want to have the juvenile, yo, I just got back from Old Navy type joint, nothing against Old Navy, but you feel me? If you want to have like the juvenile, it's my first day of school, you know, bet. You feel me? Cool. Do what you do. But if you trying to let them know what's good, you gotta go all the way. You can't be cutting corners, gosh dang. You gotta go all the way. When you come through with this, with the paisley, with the vest, come on now. Let them know. Let them know. Oh, and there's one more thing I gotta get my book back. I gotta get my book back. Look, I'm showing y'all the whole thing. I'm telling y'all, like, for real, the only thing I ain't showing you is my drawers, you feel me? Like, because I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. Listen. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. You gotta come through. You gotta let them know what type of school year you trying to have. Do we even need to address? Come on now. Look. You got the shoesies. You combine it with the little strappy straps, and again, this match, you feel me? Bro, this matches the base, you dig? This matches the base. Then you come through with these, with the red socks, with the accent of the paisley. Ladies and gentlemen, and all in between, of course, my non-binary viewers. This has been how to look cute on the first day of school, gosh dang it. And if you've already started school, don't fret. You can always wear this on Monday, gosh dang it. Do what you gotta do. Just know that if you're trying to look dope, it's not so much about what I'm saying and the instructions I'm giving you. This is more so just to open your mind to all the different possibilities. Whenever you see something and you say to yourself, that looked dope, don't always stop at, yeah, but I couldn't pull that off. Try it. I'm sitting here in a pink Abercrombie shirt, gosh dang it. You feel me? You never know till you rock it. Give it a chance. If you got it, give it a chance, but that's not here nor there. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what are you going to be rocking for the upcoming school year or just general fall. What you going to be rocking, because it's almost that time of year, gosh dang it. It's almost that type of year. Pumpkin spice, everything. Get ready, gosh dang it. If you're on Instagram, send me some stuff on Instagram. What's your fit for the first day of school? What's your fit for college? What's your fit for chilling out with the squad on the weekends or something like that? You feel me? Would you go into the county fair in? Let me know. Hit me up on Twitter. Everything is Sever the Bond. Share it with me, y'all. This has been another Sever the Style segment here on Sever the Bond 2. I'll see you guys next week for maybe another hair video. I'm not quite sure, but we'll talk about something. Let me know if you enjoyed this, because I'm going to keep doing it regardless, but let me know what you thought. Hey.